Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to uninstall DeepSeek app in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to remove DeepSeek AI from your phone, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To uninstall the DeepSeek app on your mobile device. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you are on the Settings main screen, scroll down and tap on Apps. A new screen will appear. Find and tap on Manage Apps. Now, a list of all installed apps will appear. From here, scroll down until you find DeepSeek. Once found, tap on it. Now, tap on the Uninstall button to remove the DeepSeek app from your device. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, tap on OK or Uninstall to permanently remove it. Once done, the DeepSeek app will be removed from your mobile device, and you will no longer be able to use DeepSeek AI.